everyone, welcome. Today we are doing one of my favorite songs. Maybe it's one of your favorites too. I Will Always Love You. The version by Whitney Houston is the one that I just have in here, but this song is by Dolly Parton, so let's learn it. You will need chord G, E minor, D, and C. If you decide to do the key change at the end, we will get there. So for every chord, you can give down, 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 down. That's the easy version. The more advanced version would be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Any chords in brackets get half of that. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Or the easy version would just be down strums. Down, 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 and down. So find your level. Let's do the verse. 1, 2, ready, G, down, 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 G again. Good. Now switch fast. Switch. C. Good, good, good. Relax the fingers. We're going to do that again. Repetition is the best teacher. Here we go. 1, 2, you can do it. Go. I should stay. I would only be in your way. G. So this is exactly like what we started. Switch fast, you can view each step of the way. You can do a little dramatic pause. And then we get into the chorus, fast switches. 1, 2, 3. And guess what? That's the whole song. But let's add a little bit of sparkle. For me, this song needs a little bit of finger picking. So I'd like for you to pick G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A. So any chord that's just on its own would get 2 picking patterns. So G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A. Any chord that's in a bracket would just get it once. G, C, E, A, and then switch. So it is more challenging. Let me demonstrate the verse, okay? 1, 2, verse 1, go. I should say. Now fast switches. Only be in your way. Okay, and in the chorus, it would be pretty quick with the switches. So pretty. Now let's go to the final chorus. For the final chorus, you will need chords A. Leave your 2 fingers where they're at and just add the ring finger. So look up. You're going to pivot and add the ring finger. Leave the middle finger where it's at and do D chord. And if you're doing it with middle ring and pinky, look up, look up, look up. I'm just going to slide those 3 fingers to the 4th fret and add the index for an E chord. And I know some of you are quacking at the E chord. Look up. Terry, one of the viewers, taught me to do it this way. Like use the chunky part of the finger if that doesn't work, okay? So this, goes up a key. Will always love you. I'm doing a more moving strumming pattern, but you can go back to the simple one. But I like adding more motion the deeper in the song we are. And this continues for the rest of the song. And then end on an A single strum. You let that ring out. I am so excited for your covers. Like, I cannot wait to see your covers of this song. This is one of my favorite songs of all time. So if you upload on Instagram, tag me as Plazzy. And if you want to share it on our private Facebook group, it's called Ukulele. And people are super supportive, and you have players of every level in there. If you would like to join our private weekly lessons via Zoom, join the Patreon fam. We've been doing Zoom lessons for years now, so you get to watch the replays of everything that I've taught there. And I go super in depth with the lessons there. The people who have been coming to the Zoom lessons have advanced so much because I get to see them on camera. I get to give them more tips, and it's just really fun too to see each other. So please join us on Patreon. I know that you will have a really great experience there. Thank you so much for watching. Tag me on your covers, and I will see you again soon.